One kiwi a day will help repair your DNA, and this is a fact. It's loaded with vitamin C, fiber. I ate it just like an apple. Absolutely delicious. And I got a little chia and flax oatmeal right here. I just had an amazing workout. I got up at like 3:50 in the morning, walked a mile with a heavy backpack, did the shoulders a little bit. I feel good. I got a good night's sleep. The sun is shining. It's about 65 degrees today in the Big Apple. So here's to coffee in the morning, all you go-getters, and Whole Foods. That's it. I'm going to enjoy the birds now. Have a lovely day.